How to customize WooCommerce pages. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to customize your WooCommerce pages that you have right here on your WordPress. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your WooCommerce, and we know that WooCommerce works with WordPress, and you will just open up your store that you have created. So right now I am on WooCommerce. You can see right here. So this is where you will get to. I will be showing you how to customize your WooCommerce pages, the pages you have on your store. So I will be working with a completely new store. So this tutorial is going to be for beginners, and I will help you customize your store. So let's jump into it. First of all, I'll just go to WooCommerce, and then I'm going to click on preview store, and it'll take me right here. So this is my store right now. You can see it has nothing, and it's a completely new store, and it has all of these different pages. We have home, cart, checkout, my account, sample page, and shop. So these are the pages that come with my theme that I have selected, and I'm going with a simple WooCommerce theme. Now we get the customize option right here, so I'm going to click on this option. So here we are on our WooCommerce store, and you can see right here, these are our different pages. To customize different pages, first what you have to do is you will select the pages you have right here. So you can see I have all of these different pages, and I want to first customize my home. So I'm going to click on home, and it will open up my home page for me, and it will just take a second. So this is my home page, and you can see it has like the basic text and like categories for us, and then we have search bar, recent posts, recent comments, and archives. So this is my page, and now I want to customize it. The first thing that we get is this panel right here, and this helps us customize our page. So we have like active themes. So this is my theme right here, storefront. If I want to change the theme of my page right here, I can do that as well, and I can change it. Or I can just customize this one. So I have selected my theme. Now I will move on to the next step. So the first option is site identity. And here, what we need to do is we need to change the logo for our page, because this is a home page and I want a logo right here. So I'm going to click on select logo, and I will upload the logo right here. Go to upload files and select the logo from my computer. So once the logo is selected, I'm going to just click on select. And I'm just gonna be selecting. All right, so I'm gonna just click on crop image. Perfect. Now you can see my logo has been uploaded right here, and this is going to be my site logo. You can of course crop it a bit as well. I am actually going with the full image so that you can get an idea. So this is where you will be getting your logo. Moving on, we have our site title. So it's just called My Sweet Closet. That's my name of my store, and it says just another website as tagline, but I will add my tagline right here. So you will add your tagline, and once you're done, you can just click on save, and these changes will be saved. Now I can of course customize the image right here, and I can remove it anytime I like. Then we have our header. Now in our header, I actually have this image I already uploaded. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this image. Okay, so this is our header image right here that I wanted to add. Now you can see the logo is actually different. I'm just uploading my a sample logo right here, because I have yet to finalize my logo. So I'm just gonna be using this one to show you guys, and then we have like a header image. So you can see like our store is like there is something. So you can see right here that our store is finally starting to look like a store. Now you can see that my text right here, it's not looking good, and I want to change the text color as well, or maybe I want to change the background image, or to change the background color. So you will get the footer right here, and then we have background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the background, and I can select an image for the background if I want. So I'm going to select an image just to show you guys, and I'm going to again upload. So you can just upload all the files. And you can see we can add an image in the background as well. If it's a small image, then it kind of like duplicates itself. But I'm gonna remove the image from the background, and I'm gonna change the color a little bit, and I'm gonna just like some to like a grayish tone. There you go. It looks perfect. Or I can actually go with a purple one. I do not want it to be that dark. I just want like a little shade of purple. Okay, perfect. So this is going to be my background color. Then we have typography. So in typography, we get all of the different text. We have heading color, text color, hero heading color, and hero text color. So if I select this one, and we kind of like go with a darker tone, then you can see the text right here is getting darker, and I can select any kind of color from here. All of the colors are available for the typography, and we can customize it the way we want. Moving on, we have a button. So if there is any button on your website, then you can customize it from the button option. Then we have the layout. Now this is also important, that what kind of layout you're going for. So if you're going to go with this one is selected. You can see right here. Now this is like something that I'm seeing right here on my store. Once it's customized, and if I do not add these widgets, they will be not on my website. We have menus, widgets, homepage settings, WooCommerce again. So if you just click on WooCommerce right here, it will allow me to, go to my product page, and I will be able to customize it. So then we have menus, widgets, and additional CSS for our custom pages. In widgets, what we can do is we can add different widgets, and we can edit these out as well. Now this is one of the widgets, a sidebar, and I can customize it if I want. You can see right here we have categories, and I will just simply add category right here, and I can add images, I can add headings, I can add a gallery, codes, and everything from here as a widget. So this is how you will be adding everything to your website, right here, to your page, to your WooCommerce page. And this is how we use WooCommerce right here on WordPress. Now I can just now I can just simply, once my first page is customized, I will move on to my next page, and this way I can customize all of the pages given here. Now, good thing about WooCommerce is that we can actually add different products really easily. You can just go to add product, and it will allow you to add products, and then you will be able to check all of your different products as well. We can also add different extensions and plugins to our WordPress that help us customize our WordPress and WooCommerce better, and they will help us create animated headers, and we can play around with our store. But this is how we usually, simply customize our pages. You can just go to the customize option and then customize all the pages one by one. You can customize your shop, add your products, pricing, and then select the theme of your choice. Keep in mind that your layout will be depending on your theme, that how many pages you're getting, what kind of information you can add. It all depends on your theme. There are a lot of themes available on WooCommerce that you can check out, and you can select them. Once you do, then you will be able to customize your pages really easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.